Hello guys, today we will be eating some top ramen beef ramen. So let's see here. I haven't made this one yet, so let's find the instructions how to cook it. Let's see here. Oh. I guess you just hold on, let me open this. Okay, I got it open. I do believe we add the beef and the little season packets right after. Sorry, I just shoved that in the camera. And I will do that real quick. Bruh, I gotta open the season packet and it's not even open. Bruh. Okay, I finally got it open. So let's just dump that bad boy in. Bruh. No, again. Eh. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so I cut it up more better now. So we're just gonna pop that in. Okay, that's good enough. And then I do believe you fill it up with water, so let's go do that. Here's your little water thing. Let's fill it up with some water. Okay, to the fill line. Now, since we filled it up, I do believe we set it for 4 minutes. Hold on, let me. Oh, yeah, I believe it was 4 minutes. You know, I'm just gonna check again. 3 minutes. So we're gonna 3 minutes exactly. Open it up. Put that bad boy in. Close it on up and let it cook. And I will come back to you when it's finished. It is not done yet, but I forgot to mention that, oh, I might have mentioned it, but we are having a pickle at the end. So stay around for that. Alright, we're gonna wait a little bit longer. We have a minute and 50 seconds left, basically. See ya. It is not fully done yet, but this is Wash. Say hi, Wash. Yeah, I do love him. He is a very fluffy dog. Alright, bye, Wash. We are gonna continue doing what we are doing. Love you. Alright guys, it has ended, so we're gonna have to place that down. I'm going to quickly pause this so then I can take it out because I have to put that on the phone. Okay, we're back. Now we're gonna have to add a little sauce. Sorry, I have to lean it against it real quick. Let's open this sauce up. Man. I like how I go to open the sauce up. And then it comes out like this. When you rip it. Let me use my sneezers. Man, it's not better. Sorry it's taking a little bit. Alright. Oh, frick. My bad. Sort of fell, so I got the flavor packet open. Let's dip it in. Or pour it in at least. Okay. Good to go. Put it in. Let's grab my chopsticks. Mix them up. That is some steamy ramen. Very steamy. And since it's a little hot, I like adding an ice cube, so Let's grab an ice cube. Close the freezer. Open this bad boy up. Pick out one ice cube. One single guy. Bloop. And instead of leaving it on top so just the top noodles are cool, I like adding, I like putting it on the bottom. So then, once it's on the bottom, you mix it around, and then it does the trick for you. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and then come right back. Okay, we are good to go. I mixed it up for a little bit. Had to clean my mess. We're gonna put these sneezers away. We're gonna take our ramen. We're gonna actually eat on the deck. Haven't eaten on the deck for a while, so let me go unlock it. Alright. Sorry this video is taking a little bit too long. It's just, I'm not the best at cutting videos. So, we'll grab our pickle. I'll meet you outside. Alright, we are outside now, so, let's eat this. Right. Hey, Wash, you cannot eat some. You cannot have any. Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit. See its rating. Yeah, I have to blow on the food. Hold on. 8 out of 10. Flavor's nice and all. Although, a little plain. Just a little. Okay, maybe I'll give him one noodle. No, that's not one noodle. That's two. Okay. Want some Wash? Yummy. He must have enjoyed that. Well, thanks for sticking around with us. Thanks for watching this video. Oh yeah, my bad. I forgot about the pickle. Let's see here. I'm gonna place you in there. Nope. Hopefully you can see that view. I'll be opening up this pickle. No. These pickles can be real good. Okay, you ready for the crunch, guys? Nah, crunch. You bug them. Alright.